So the system is designed to be very easy to use. There's room for up to 5 food capsules that can be individually heated if necessary. You simply put your fresh ingredients into the capsule, put it in the slot, and we're going to choose our recipe. So today we're going to be printing this. Why 3D printed food? And if you think about it, you're practically eating 3D printed food today if you eat anything from a food manufacturer. Because what a food manufacturer does is they take food, they push it through machines, they shape it, and they form it. We've taken that exact same concept and shrunk it down to a design kitchen appliance that sits on your kitchen counter. But the big difference is that we actually ship with empty stainless steel food capsules. So you can put in your own fresh, real ingredients. You're never forced to buy pre-filled food capsules. So this is about real food, 3D print it. A lot of it isn't exactly healthy. You look at the nutrition labels, there's a lot of questions, chemical sounding ingredient names or E numbers, we don't know what we're eating. And even when we do know about clean labels and we understand all the ingredients on that package, what we don't know is exactly how much of that ingredient we're eating. So we tend to eat too much salt, oil, and sugar as an example. So for consumers, the idea is, since this is a mini food manufacturing facility where you put in your own fresh ingredients, to have people get back into their kitchens and create more of those foods using fresh ingredients rather than buying it. So the idea behind it is, yes, it is time saving. It's faster to do it with a 3D food printer than by hand or with any other kitchen appliance for certain products. Is it the fastest way to get food? No. The fastest way to get food is to buy something processed, rip it open, throw it in the microwave, and you're done. But that's not exactly healthy. Today with Foodini and 3D food printing, we're actually targeting professional kitchen users first. So why are professional chefs interested in 3D food printing? There's 2 main reasons. One is it because it allows them to do food presentations that just are not possible by hand. Chefs know that food presentation is very important, and a lot of chefs use that to differentiate themselves. The other bucket of why they're interested in 3D food printing is automation. Now in the future, we envision that that food texture that can be printed will widen as well. But again, we're not really changing foods. We're just changing the way we're making them to make it easier for people to use fresh, real ingredients. So we actually had to write our own software that we call Foodini Creator, which allows anybody to create their dishes without knowing what a 3D printer is, without knowing tech software. It's very easy touchscreen access. And the software is actually all in the cloud as well. So you do not need to be in the kitchen standing over Foodini to make your dishes or select your dinner. You can actually be on your sofa with a laptop or a tablet and create your dishes and later pull that up in the kitchen on the device when you're ready to print. So people tend to think that whatever is 3D printed is the final dish, or whatever comes out of the printer is done and ready to eat. In certain cases, yes, it is. So when you're printing chocolate, for example, as soon as it comes out of the printer, it's ready to eat. This, what we're printing today, is made out of sweet potato. You can eat this straight out of the printer. But what chefs tend to do with this particular dish is finish it off with other ingredients. So add some seafood, add some vegetables, so you do get those different textures that you're used to today to a dish. So Foodini is an Internet of Things kitchen appliance as well. So that means it's connected to the internet. So there's a number of things you can do with that. So for example, our software can always be updated, so you'll always have cutting edge technology on your device. But you can also do things like download recipes or use recipes that people have created. So as an example, if you want to print a dessert that stops printing once it hits 200 calories, we can do that. I can actually print a breakfast bar that's nutritionally complete for me. So you can start doing customized nutrition in the future with IoT. And that's where it starts getting fun about customized nutrition, customized foods, data tracking of calories. This is made out of a mashed potato, mashed sweet potato with some other spices in it. We chose this for today because it's very seasonal. So we like to use seasonal produce that's available for this time of the year. It's very good. I would say to my staff it could use more salt and some more seasoning, but it's real food. You know, so it's just sweet potato that we baked in the oven, add some spices, and that's it. So 0 gelling agents, 0 additives to it. It's proper food. So our big vision is that in the next 10 to 15 years, a 3D food printer will become a common kitchen appliance in your kitchen like an oven or a microwave is today. You'll walk into a kitchen, see this, and not be surprised at all. So it's not too far in the future that you will see this in every kitchen.
Vodafone One, el todo en uno de última generación.